Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Memet Işık. Welcome to your go-to channel for all things holistic health. A lipoma is a slow-growing fatty mass that typically forms beneath the skin but above the underlying muscle layer. It has a soft, doughy texture and is generally painless, easily shifting under gentle finger pressure. Lipomas are most commonly identified in middle-aged individuals, and some people may develop multiple lipomas. While lipomas are benign and pose no cancer risk, treatment is usually unnecessary. However, if a lipoma becomes bothersome, painful, or continues to grow, removal may be considered. If you've been dealing with lipomas and are searching for natural ways to heal them, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving deep into a step-by-step guide to understanding, managing, and even naturally shrinking lipomas. Let's get started. First off, what exactly are lipomas? They're benign fatty lumps that grow under the skin, usually slow-growing and painless. You might find them on your shoulders, neck, arms, or thighs. While generally harmless, some people want to get rid of them due to discomfort or cosmetic reasons. Good news, there are natural ways to manage these without surgery. Now let's talk about what causes lipomas. They can be linked to several factors. Genetics. If your family has them, you might too. Toxin buildup. Environmental toxins and processed foods can lead to fatty deposits. Liver dysfunction. A sluggish liver can contribute to fat accumulation. Poor lymphatic drainage. A slow lymphatic system might be storing excess fat. Diet and lifestyle. High sugar, trans fats, and processed foods contribute to lipoma growth. Alright, on to the main event, your step-by-step natural healing guide. Step 1. Detoxify your body. Increase hydration, drink at least 2-3 liters of water daily. Lemon water and apple cider vinegar. These improve digestion and fat metabolism. Liver support foods. Eat beets, turmeric, garlic, and dandelion tea for liver cleansing. Intermittent fasting. It helps your body detoxify and burn stored fats. Step 2. Anti-lipoma diet. Increase healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and omega-3 rich foods like salmon. Reduce processed foods. Avoid refined sugars, artificial additives, and deep-fried foods. Anti-inflammatory foods. Turmeric, ginger, leafy greens, and berries help reduce fat deposits. More fiber-rich foods like chia seeds and flax seeds aid digestion and toxin elimination. Step 3. Natural remedies and topical treatments. Castor oil massage reduces lipoma size when massaged daily. Turmeric and aloe vera paste. Mix and apply directly to the lipoma. Green tea extract helps in reducing fatty lumps. Essential oils. Frankincense and tea tree oil help shrink lipomas when applied consistently. Step 4. Improve lymphatic drainage. Dry brushing stimulates the lymphatic system and circulation. Exercise, regular yoga, stretching, and brisk walking help flush out toxins. Lymphatic massages reduce fatty deposits and improve blood flow. Sauna and sweat therapy detoxifies the body and helps remove excess fat naturally. Step 5. Herbal supplements and holistic therapies. Milk thistle supports liver detoxification. Burdock root, a powerful blood cleanser. Omega-3 supplements reduces inflammation. Apple cider, vinegar capsules, aids in digestion and fat breakdown. Remember, while natural remedies are powerful, some cases require medical attention. Consult a doctor if the lipoma is growing rapidly, becomes painful, affects movement, or if multiple lipomas appear suddenly. Now that you have the knowledge, it's time to take action. Start implementing these dietary changes and natural remedies today. Keep a health journal to track your progress and stay consistent. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us spread awareness about natural healing methods. Drop your questions or success stories in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay empowered.